Hello, welcome to our classes. I'm Dr. K. K. Misra. This video tutorial is on principles of management, also called as essentials of management. This is part 2 or fundamentals of management. The same can be said. Now come to the question. Question number 1. Administration is an activity at A. Lower level, B. Middle level, C. Higher level, D. Both. So the correct option is C. Higher level. 2. The essence of management is dash A. Coordination, B. Planning, C. Organizing, D. Directing. So the correct option is A. Coordination. 3. Which of the following is not true? So the correct option is D. Management is always bureaucratic. This is not true. 4. Dash is defined as the functions of getting things done through other. A. Management, B. Science, C. Art, D. Both. So the correct option is A. Management. 5. Management is dash function. A. Dynamic, B. Controlling, C. Directing, D. Planning. Correct option is A. Dynamic. 6. Administration is a dash function. A. Management, B. Planning, C. Directing, D. All of the above. So correct option is A. Management. Question number 7. The term hierarchy implies A. Departmentalization, B. A definite ranking order, C. Specialization, D. None of these. The correct option is B. A definite ranking order. 8. The main aim of Terror was to. Correct option is B. Improve productivity. 9. Method study is. Correct option is A. Preliminary survey of production process. 10. Henry Fayol is well known dash. Correct option is A. As the father of administrative management. 11. Unity of command implies A. A subordinate should receive orders from all the superiors. B. Individuals must sacrifice in the larger interest. C. Be accountable to one and only one superior. D. None. So the correct option is B. Accountable to one and only one superior. Correct option is C actually. 12. Purpose of time study is dash. A. To remove wastage of time. B. To give timely assistance. C. To determine fair days of work. D. Watching time. Correct option is C. To determine fair days of work. 13. The scientific technique of task setting is also known as work study, B. Motion study, C. Time study, D. Method study. Correct option is C. Time study. 14. Scientific analysis of work under scientific management requires A. Time study, B. Motion study, C. Both A and B, or D. Work study. Correct option is C. Both A and B. 15. Authority refers to getting work done, B. Right to get work done, C. Being in a managerial position, D. Scalar chain. Correct option is B. Right to get work done. 16. Which among the following involves in planning process? A. Selection of objective, B. Determine the way to achieve objective, C. Both A and B, D. None. Correct option is C. Both A and B. 17. Which among the following is a single use plan? A. Objectives, B. Policies, C. Rules, D. Budget. So correct option is D. Budget. 18. Dash is a timetable of work. A. Budget, B. Project, C. Programs, D. Schedules. So correct option is D. Schedules. 19. Which among the following is not an element of coordination? A. Integration, B. Balancing, C. Proper timing, D. Directing. So correct option is D. Directing. 20. Find out odd man out. Goals, A. B. Objective, C. Policies, D. Motivation. So correct option is D. Motivation. 21. Budget is an instrument of A. Planning only, B. Control only, C. Both planning and control, D. None. So correct option is C. Both planning and control. 22. Dash are the prescribed guidelines for conducting an action. A. Rules, B. Method, C. Budget, D. Policy. So the correct option is D. Policy. 23. The purpose and the aim for which organization is set up and operate is called A. Objective, B. Strategy, C. Policy, D. Procedure. So correct option is A. Objective. 24. Planning process begins with A. Setting objectives, B. Identify alternatives. C. Developing planning premise. D. Selecting alternatives. Correct option is A. Setting objectives. 25. It is a function of management which refers to the process of integrating the activities of different units of organization to achieve the organizational goals. This is called, the correct option is C. Coordination. 26. Planning is, correct option is C. Both forward and backward looking. 27. Management by objective is, correct option is A. Goal oriented. What is the full form of MBO? That is, correct option is C. Management by objectives. 29. Which of the following is not said to be a feature of coordination? So, correct option is B. Provides different functions. 60. Planning is pervasive, futuristic, and continuous. D. All of the above. So, correct option is D. All of the above. So, this was all for this particular video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel or classes and press the bell button and pass it on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of you.